Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two powerful steam mops, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop. Let's see which one can make your floors shine. Let's start with the price. The PurSteam 10-in-1 is priced at $99, making it a budget-friendly option, perfect for those looking to save without sacrificing quality. Reviewers praise its overall performance and lightweight design, making it an excellent choice for various surfaces. On the other hand, the BISSELL SpinWave is priced at $159, which some reviewers feel is justified due to its effectiveness and high-tech features. However, it's still a steeper investment, especially if you're on a tight budget. Moving on to features, the PurSteam 10-in-1 heats up in just 30 seconds and is chemical-free, which many users appreciate. Reviewers love its versatility and the various attachments that come with it. In contrast, the BISSELL SpinWave boasts an intelligent LED display that informs you when the steam is ready and when to refill. Users find this feature incredibly helpful, especially for those who prefer a straightforward cleaning process. Both mops have their unique features, but the PurSteam is noted for its multifunctionality. When it comes to handheld functionality, the PurSteam 10-in-1 shines as it can be converted into a handheld steamer for various tasks, such as removing wrinkles from clothes. Reviewers appreciate this added versatility, making it a go-to cleaning tool. On the flip side, the BISSELL SpinWave is designed for floor cleaning, featuring a swivel head that easily maneuvers under furniture. While it doesn't have the handheld option, it's still effective for its intended use. Users find it easy to handle, but it lacks the broader versatility of the PurSteam. Lastly, let's discuss accessories. The PurSteam comes with a variety of attachments, including brushes and nozzles, which users find very useful for cleaning tight spaces and different surfaces. Reviewers rave about the cleaning capabilities, and note it almost feels like a cleaning party in a box. Meanwhile, the BISSELL SpinWave offers washable microfiber pads, which are convenient for easy cleaning, but don't come with as many additional tools. Users appreciate the simplicity, but some feel it could use more accessories. Overall, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is favored for its affordability, versatility, and effective cleaning capabilities, while the BISSELL SpinWave is praised for its smart features and efficiency on various floor types. Both products have their strengths, making them suitable for different needs and preferences. Which mop would you choose? The PurSteam 10-in-1 for its budget-friendly versatility, or the BISSELL SpinWave for its smart features? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links. Happy cleaning!